Hi guys, I got a Land Rover here that needs a little bit more air conditioning. It's not because it has a leak or anything, it's just needed to be refilled and reserviced. So I'm just going to check the pressure and everything else on the car, and then we're going to go ahead and get started from there on. It needs the R134 Alpha, and you can find that in either the manual. You can probably just look it up online if you want. It's also written underneath the hood which kind of coolant it's using, and that's how you figure out if it's the right one you have. Normally cars nowadays, they use the 134 Alpha. So let's get started. So this is the Land Rover down below. We got an 8-cylinder in this one, and we got the air conditioner hoses coming here. You have to locate the lower one, and I've taken basically the cap off both of them at the moment. This is actually one of them, and that's the other one. And you got to locate the right one to make sure you get it all sorted out, and also to attach the hose to there before you can actually get the 134 coolant in there again. As you can see, they have different diameters, so the hose itself will not fit on the smaller one. I just took it off so you can see it. There's a vent in there as well, and so that means that you can only attach it to one of them, so you should be fine whenever you find and locate the right one in this case. So then you can start your filling process. Here, taking the fill process out, and you can see the gauges here as well. In my case, it's really warm here in Florida, so today I need about 45 to 55 in the green arc, and the top of it actually, in order to have enough on there. The snap coupling, which is here as well, only fit, as I said, on one of those, and that's the one we see over here. And so now it's just a matter of turning on the car, let the aircon run, make sure the compressor is actually engaged, and then from there on, once you have that, you shake this really well, and you'll go ahead and you charge it over a few times to make sure you got the right pressure and also the right cooling going into the system, and then it should be working again. Before you start up the engine, make sure you get your safety glasses or safety goggles on, and also make sure you use your gloves. It is a coolant and it might actually freeze up on you, and it's not very healthy either, so make sure you protect yourself before you start up anything, and also before you start refilling the 134 Alpha product. To make sure that you got the right coolant in there, you can see here what you need to put in, and it will tell you exactly what kind of system it is. The chemical also consistent, and also the 134 Alpha as well. So this is where you find it. It's right in the motor room or underneath the hood. It could be up here as well, but at the moment on this one, it's actually located right there. So here we located the lower connection port for the agent that goes in there. The 134 agent is not collected, actually put up. As you can see, it's been running a little bit. It doesn't need much actually, but in this case I'm going to recharge it up to about 55 into the top of the green arc, and we should be fine in this case. It's just a few presses on this button over here and you should be ready to go. As you can see here, I've done it a few times already, but I'm still a little bit below 50 on the gauge, and I will get it higher up. So by tilting it back and forth a few times and pressing it like this, it should be up to about 55 at some point. As soon as the compressor cycles on, it drops. So we just got to get it back up to the 45 again, or 55. Just in the meantime, it's going to take a little bit of time. So give it a few minutes before the thing's working, and then it should be actually working quite nicely. Even though you try a few times here and you try to get on, it's going to be close to the 55 or 45. I would like to have it high in my case, just because I want to make sure I got enough cooling on the car. Once it's done, you just disconnect it, and then you're basically finished with the whole thing. And you got new A134 Alpha agent on your air conditioner. It's blowing cold air at the moment, straight out here of the vent. Hope you enjoyed it. You can click like and subscribe, and I'll come up with some more videos when they get appropriate. Thanks a lot.